Joining me at IAA Olive Crown Awards is Dr. Ram Gandhi, who's the governor and past president of Indian Merchant Chamber. Sir, an association like IMC, which has come up with this awards to sort of promote sustainability. What do you have to say about this?
I have only one word, which John Lennon said: why not? He never asked the questions why. He always asked the question why not. So I thought that's why IMC started. Why not? Why we are not doing it? Why Chamber should only discuss what is of GST or excise or whatever taxation? It must go much beyond that. The role of a chamber. It's not a question of CSR activity. It's a question of duty. It's a question of acknowledgement. And after all, you're doing it not for a member only. You're also doing it for their member children and the grandchildren. So I look at a long-term point of view. But immediate, we do not know what the response will get. But so far, so good.
And how far do you think you've come, and is India ready? Is the industry ready to sort of adapt to sustainability?
Well, I think everyone started it, but the movement must continue. The problem is we have always everywhere continuity, and once you start is very good, but well begun is half done. The point is it has to continue, and that is why the push should continue. And I think what I have been saying that enough of in government, enough of business industries. It is the individual now who must not take it up, and the individual must do it. And each individual has a part to do it. And our print award which we got today is for that. The individual must act in it, not alone. You must now start acting individually. So our aim is going to not to industry or government or anything. It's going to be the individual, attack the individual. And I think if we succeed, it's a long story. It's a long hope. And he who lives on hope dies fasting. But the point is, we are going to do that. At least we will try to do that.
So, how would you do that? I'm just curious.
You can only do it by social media, basically social media platforms. You get the big boys, the big influencer to endorse it. And they say, I will. And once you get them to endorse it, it carries on. Then you have various what we have. Suppose you want rainwater harvesting. Then we'll have a guy in the office, the IMC office, where he will sit once a week. You come to your society, you can come there and learn how to do it. So it's not that we just tell them to do it, rainwater harvesting, but we'll tell you how to do it. Or solar energy. How do you do it? So we'll have somebody telling you how to do it. We won't tell you the vendor, but we'll tell you how the process is. That is the only way you can do it. So you can ask them to do all this, but then they say, we don't know how to do it. So, okay, so we'll tell you how to do it. And it'll be free. It's not being in charge.